Blossom, I hope you all are doing great, and today I am here with a product review. That's a makeup product. I did the first ever makeup video of my channel, and this is the look I have come up with for Eid makeup look. If you want to know how I did this makeup, I'll put the link somewhere here on the description box, so you can just check out that video as well and let me know how it worked out. And coming to the review is the ADS Rockstar Face Palette. These are not fake products. The Bomb Cosmetics is a big brand and it's very expensive. So the ADS is actually a local brand. The ADS has come up with a packaging similar to that. So this is from the ADS. You can see this is from ADS, and also it says it's ADS. It is available on Amazon. I'll put that link below as well. And this is about 370 rupees. And it's been some time I've bought this from Amazon. Packaging is almost similar to the Balm, but it says ADS here, and this is how the packaging is. In the back side you can see all the shade names. You have 12 eyeshadows here, mix of shimmer and matte, and you have a highlighter, you have a blush, and you have 2 lipsticks. This thing I like about it is that, you know, when you open it you can see there's a little mirror. I really like that. Eyeshadows, so you can see this is the highlighter and this is the blush, and when you open this below compartment you can see 2 lipsticks, 2 cream lipsticks, and also it actually gives you some, you know, idea on top for smoky looks, which you can make it using this palette. So that's really helpful, and it has complete ingredients list, and it also states about the manufacture date and how many since you start using it you have to finish it within 1 year. I really like this palette to the fact that, you know, it's not that, you know, it's not that I like all the eyeshadows, but the few eyeshadows I really like it. I have used it today to make this look, and also the blush is also good. Only the highlighter is not pigmented. It's like little, it's good on hand swatch, but when you try to apply it on your face it's not too much pigmented. So if you are like dusky skin like me, you might not really know if it's, you know, highlighter or not. So these middle 4 shades are matte. These are like, you know, metallic lead, copper colors. You have this pink color, you have these brown colors, and you can actually make a nice look when you're traveling. You can easily use it because it's really nice. You also have a friendly mirror. And let me swatch few shades for you. Let me swatch this one. This is the Blink 1982. You can see it's like chalky. This color is chalky. It's not too, you know, too perfectly, because when you use a brush there is a lot of fallout on the shimmery colors, but the matte colors, they don't have much fallouts. You can say this is Moderato, and let me swatch a shimmery shade. You can see this one is Iron Maiden. Is the copper shade. So you can see all these shades. So few shades are okay, few shades are very powdery. You know, there's a lot of fallout, so you have to be very careful when you're applying it. If you are doing your eye makeup as last thing, I don't recommend you to use shimmery ones because it has a lot of fallouts. But I like the blush. The blush is really nice. You can see it's really nice and pigmented. And you can see the highlighter. This is good on hand, but when I tried it, I don't see it's too much pigmented. But the lipsticks are nice, you know, the lipsticks are really nice. You can see this is light pink color, which is milky, and the other one is vanilla. You can actually use it as lip or cheek color. I have only used it as lip color. This is a dark cherry color. So these are 2 shades. This is the vanilla, this is the milky color. This you can use it on cheeks. This one is good on lips, I think. So yeah, this is a good buy, because, you know, in 350 rupees you have eyeshadows, blush, you have a highlighter, you have 2 lip or cheek colors. So I don't expect much of it, but it's really good and affordable one. If you're looking for an affordable makeup palette, then this is really nice one. I would recommend that at least for once. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So there's a small bell button, don't forget to hit that so you can keep yourself updated. I also review most of the other products which I don't do in YouTube, in my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there. In my social handles, I'll put all the details somewhere here or in the down. Thank you and take care. Love you all.